Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you guys have already seen me pretty much style this wig. So this wig comes from a company by the name let's see, MyCrownedWigs. Okay, so me personally, I haven't heard of this company before, but I highly doubt that they're new. But this is what the hair pretty much looks like. So as far as the specs, I think that this is I think it's 150% density. I think the length is like 12 or 14. I'm not sure. I will leave all that down below. I don't know it you know, like right off the top of my head or anything like that. But anyways, this is what the wig looks like. It does come with lace all the way around, so it is like a 360 unit. So if you would like to, you know, glue it all the way around, you could, but you guys know I never do glue my wigs all the way around because I think that's more so for people who are going to wear their hair up in like a big bun or like a pineapple. Okay, so and plus this is a bob. I wouldn't really too much do a lot of updo styles with a bob. Okay, so anyways guys, I'm not sure what the wig cap size is for this. This may just be like average, but this wig cap or this wig size or whatever is way too small for me or whatever. Like, it's way too small. I had to do a lot of stretching and a lot of tugging. Okay, the my head measures about a 24-inch. This is definitely not a 24-inch. I don't know what this is, so yeah, keep that in mind. Make sure you measure your head before you order these wigs so your wig can fit. All right, so yeah, this is what the hair looks like. I didn't do a whole lot as far as plucking goes. I think maybe I went in a little bit and plucked, but I barely even did that. I did bleach the knots. Okay, so I bleached the knots. The knots looked like they appeared to be a little bit bleached, but I still went in and bleached them a little bit more. So I decided to do like a side part, something that looked real natural and cute. You can part this wig any way you want. All right, if you want to, so you can, you know, you can wear it whatever side you want to, or just however you want to do it. Like I said, I did opt for more so of like a side part. I just wanted something simple and something pretty easy. All right, so anyways guys, I think that's pretty much it. I think this hair is pretty okay. Now, some of the complaints I had, like I said, the wig is pretty small. Another thing, I guess this wig is supposed to be worn in a certain type of style, and that's probably why the cut is cut really weird. So I had to go in and kind of snip a little bit, and I feel like I still need to snip on this side. So I'm guessing it was supposed to be in like maybe a side part or something, girl, I don't know, but the cut was just off, like all around the wig. It was real off to me. So yeah, take that in consideration. I would say that this is a company to at least take a look at. The wig did not come with an elastic band inside the wig, so if you would like an elastic band inside your wig, you would have to sew one in there. But it did come with combs all around, all on the inside. I did take them out because I never utilize them, and sometimes they kind of hurt my head, so I did take the combs out except for the one right at the back. But it does come with combs and an adjustable wig cap for your convenience. Okay, so yeah, I would say just check them out guys, and see, you know, if you guys would like to, you know, order, if you wouldn't like to order. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you in my next video.